Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Tecno Pova 6 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's scroll down again to find backup to Google Drive option. It should be in this backup reset and restore section. So let's tap on it, and here tap on add account. Be aware that if you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to simply choose it from the list. If not, you have to add it right now. So now in this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just choose the specific option and tap on next. Now we can read Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Simply tap on it, and here I've got the info, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the information about the backup, so we are able to use our 15 GB of Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. You can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And another backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. Right here we can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, and advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off to be sure so you can be sure that you will avoid the charges. So now all we have to do to finish everything is to tap on backup now, and as you can see your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.